Today I am going to show you unboxing of this handy torch. Now I am going to show you what the box consists of. So it has two sides cushion. This is waterproof handy torch, USB cable, and this is can. How it functions. Here is the button, the white button at the back. Press it. There are three modes. This is the first mode. This you can use for reading. Second button. This is the second mode. And then third time. This is the third mode. This is the first mode. You can zoom in, pull in and pull out. This is zoom out. The second mode is SOS, emergency. You can use it for emergency. And then the third mode, you can probably look for things if you have lost something. This is the third mode. So we have tested the function of this torch in the night as well, which we will attach in the video. To order the waterproof torch, please contact Kayak India, and the contact number is given in the description. So we have all kinds of camping and trekking products. For more details, please contact Kayak India and watch the space for more videos.